Hey Sugar, it's me, Rox, and I'm here with a friend, and we are going to give you a super review. Super. I just got these totally cute soft gel paste food colors. They were a free gift with purchase, so these aren't sponsored. So excited. This is my first impression. It comes in this really cute packaging. Super cute. This pin is actually something I've never gotten from AmeriColor before. This is a new pin. I'll be wearing it all the time. No, I won't be, but it's really cute. Because I like to try all these different brands, but never a little cute bag like this. So already I can see that there are 5 different colors, pink, blue, green, yellow, and orange. Let me just take them out. I haven't even opened these yet. So this really is my first impression. The packaging is the traditional packaging that we usually see with AmeriColor. It is 0.75 ounces and 21 grams. The colors that we have are Sherbet, which is an orange color. It's pretty true to color to the lid. This is Pale Peony, a pink. Then we have Lemonade, 184, and pretty true to color on top as well. And then Robin's Egg, which is a blue. And then Pistachio. Immediately, I think these are adorable. I noticed right away that it has a sheen similar to a nail polish color. And something that's unique about AmeriColor is that they do have some food color paste used as a food color, but then also paint, and you get a nice sheen to it. So I'm really interested in this. Another thing is that it says it's peanut, tree nut, and gluten-free. So I really like that they mention that because I have friends that have allergies, for sure. Something that I'm noticing right away, mauve is actually really similar to the Pale Peony color as far as the sticker goes. But when you look at the packaging, let me just pull it over real quick like that. It's a really different colors. Also, I don't know about any of you that have ballet slipper SE nail color as a favorite color when you're getting a French manicure. This one could be a really good pass for that. The Sherbet does look a lot like Sherbet, at least in packaging. I can't wait to see how it looks in buttercream. So some of you might be wondering, is it worth it to buy the color if it's a version of the lemon yellow that I already have? And I don't know. It's so up to you. You want me to yoink it? 184 Lemonade actually has a sheen, so I wanted to pull out gold, which you'd think would be sparkly. So I would think that this sheen is what I would expect with a gold or a champagne gold. I have no other observations except that on the lid they look really different. It definitely feels like a really different color yellow. So this Robin's Egg, I really wish that I had this other color, Wedgwood. I use it so much that I'm out of it, and I can't remember exactly what it's like, but I do think it's pretty similar. I think it's a pretty good comp. The last two, so the next color that I pull is actually, ignore how gross the packaging is, but this happens to all bakers, right? You know, but I pulled the mint green because initially when I got my mint green, I thought it would be a lot more similar to this pistachio color. But if you look at the lids, not at all. Like totally different. It's so shiny. Oh my gosh, it looks like hollow, like holographic. That is a nail polish that I want. I take back the ballet slipper comment from before. Oh, do you see that? So pretty, so different. Okay, Sherbet. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, look. It looks like a nail polish. It really does. So yellow is one of my favorite colors because Gudetama is my spirit animal. The packaging is always so solid. You know, it's really hard to open at first, but it feels really worthwhile. I've never had one of these really explode on me before in shipping. Oh wow, this is like Cookie Monster Blue. This seems super pastel according to my friend that's here with me. I think it looks Cookie Monster Blue. So this is for pistachio. The packaging makes it look like actual pistachio ice cream, the color green that you imagine that a gelato or pistachio would be. This to the color. It kind of reminds me of a hummingbird. But these are great because, I mean, I feel like you get really good coverage. I wish that there was a lavender or purple color because I use those colors a lot as well. It's time to make some buttercream. Swiss meringue buttercream. AmeriColor is pre-releasing these colors and eventually they will be sold separately, but right now you can only get them with gift with purchase. Now it's time to color the buttercream by mixing it. This, I think, is actually a really unique color. I don't use orange a ton, but I think if I added maybe 10 drops of color, it would look exactly like a sherbet. This looks like a nice creamy light version of one. It almost looks like buttercream still, but it is really pretty. I could see adding a few more drops to it. Lemonade. Then this, it does look like pistachio ice cream, just double the number. I think if you get 10 drops, you're exactly where you want to be with pistachio ice cream. I'm adding 5 more drops so we can see what it looks like with a little more intensity and vibrance. I noticed that it's way thicker than the traditional AmeriColors that I've used before in viscosity. It's almost a little bit harder to squeeze from the bottle in my experience. It is a little bit different, so here are the additional drops. So let's see how this looks. Cotton candy. I think of all of these, the two that I think are probably the most differentiated are probably the sherbet and the pistachio. I think I'll use those two a lot. They're all pretty though. And I'll certainly purchase these again. I really like that. A lot of the times if I want this mint color, how I achieve it is using a little bit of leaf green and then a dot of electric blue, and then you can kind of get this color. It looks a lot like the green that I used for my Frankenstein, my Kawaii Frankenstein cake. But it is really pretty and I will use it. So my assessment, I love these. I'll definitely be using them. I will probably purchase them in larger formats. And here it is, 10 drops. Thanks for watching, Sugar. Yes! I'm so excited.